How to Become Fluent in English in Just 30 Days. Realistic Plan. Title. Can you really become fluent in English in 30 days? Here's the truth. Can you become fluent in English in just 1 month? The short answer is yes, but only if you understand what fluent really means. Fluency doesn't mean knowing every English word. It means being able to express your thoughts confidently without constantly translating in your head. In this video, I'll show you a practical 30-day plan that has helped many English learners improve their speaking skills quickly. Let's begin. Day 1 to 7. Build your English environment. The first week is all about surrounding yourself with English. Step 1. Change your phone, computer, and social media language to English. Step 2. Listen to English for at least 30 minutes every day. Choose simple content like BBC Learning English VOA Learning English Easy English on YouTube. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Your brain will gradually adapt to the sounds and rhythm of English. Step 3. Learn only 15 to 20 useful words every day. Don't memorize random vocabulary. Learn words you actually use in daily life, such as arrive, barrel, improve, decide, comfortable. Always learn them with example sentences. Day 8 to 14. Start speaking every day 140 to 310. Many learners wait until they think their English is perfect. That's a mistake. You become fluent by speaking, not by waiting. Practice the shadowing technique. Listen to one sentence from a native speaker. Pause. Repeat it exactly with the same pronunciation and rhythm. Do this for 15 to 20 minutes every day. Then record yourself speaking. Compare your recording with the original. You'll quickly notice your pronunciation, speed, and confidence improving. Also, talk to yourself. Describe everything around you in English. For example, I am making breakfast. I am walking to work. The weather is sunny today. It may feel strange at first, but it works. Day 15 to 21. Think in English. This is where real progress begins. Stop translating from your native language. Instead, think directly in English. When you wake up, ask yourself, what should I do today? When you're eating, this food tastes delicious. When you're traveling, I need to catch the next bus. Thinking in English makes speaking much faster and more natural. Also start writing a short daily journal. Just 5 or 6 simple sentences every night are enough. For example, today I studied English for 1 hour. I learned 15 new words. I watched an English video. Consistency is more important than perfection. Day 22 to 30, real conversations for 20 to 540. Now it's time to use English with real people. Find speaking partners through language exchange apps. Join English-speaking communities online or practice with AI conversation tools. Try speaking for at least 20 minutes every day. Don't fear mistakes. Every mistake teaches you something new. Remember this. Children become fluent because they speak without worrying about being perfect. Adults often stay silent because they're afraid of making mistakes. Choose progress over perfection. Daily 2-hour fluency routine, 5:40 to 6:30. Here's a simple daily routine. 30 minutes. Listen to English point 20 minutes. Learn useful vocabulary point 30 minutes. Shadow native speakers point 20 minutes. Speak aloud or talk with a partner point 20 minutes. Read articles or stories point 20 minutes. Write a short journal. Follow this routine every day for 30 days. Final message. Can you become fluent in 1 month? You may not sound like a native speaker, but you can become much more confident, understand conversations better, and speak naturally in everyday situations.